Yeah, it's packed here at Culver's tonight, Lake Orion. Beautiful September day, about 83 or 84 degrees out. I'm gonna go get some food and then we'll take a look at cars. All right, there's music playing here, so that's why I put my finger over the mic, but that's a 409. You see the dipsticks over here, and usually there's an X cast in the front of the block. I don't see it here, but usually. Anyway, there we go. A 409 with dual 4 barrels. Oh, and it's even a 4-speed too. Oh, this chunk of money. It shows 39,000 miles on the clock. Yeah, what a beautiful car. So they're having a charity event here for the Special Olympics, and they're giving away $1,000 prize. So I think that's why the cruise is, it's one of the busier ones I've been to here. And to think I was kind of contemplating not coming, I'm so glad I did. But anyway, here's, so you don't see too many 65 SS. I couldn't even hear that thing run, it's so quiet.
I can make it louder. So.
That's super nice, I like it.
Sounds so good. I got 3-inch on that Blazer, it sounds like crap.
What year's that?
83.
So I had an 85. Usually we're just talking about.
Yeah. I put a big block in that one too.
Yeah, well see, if I had an 85 and we used to drive up sand dunes, that's,
Yeah, that's right.
HTC.
Yeah.
And then I had a cylinder.
The trumpets. I look up, but I'm not excited. It didn't sound like trumpets. That sounded like trumpets.
What a beautiful car. Here's something you just don't see every day. I absolutely love this car. 70, I think, 70 Rebel Time Machine. The Machine. I think it's a 70. I remember these when they were new. Isn't that sad? Those show how old I am. Let's see if you can, I don't know if that shows up or not, maybe with or without the sun. Shows 1,233 miles. This thing looks like brand spanking new.
Got a beautiful night for this, eh? Did you ride? Yep. What year is that? 70? 70. How long has it had it? 30 years? Well, good for you.
I remember when these were brand new.
Oh, no good. I would have been 9, so you must be older than me.
One of my neighbors was a big shot at AMC and drove one for about 3 or 4 years. Sweet car. You just don't see these. I mean, you know, it's just unusual. And you've had it a long time too, which is nice. Yeah, that thing is sweet.
Well, that's what they call it now. Before it was just a place to go and wigger where it was laid off. Got a behind the tractor stuff. Are you familiar with MC? I know all of them.
This is in my past videos if you want to go check it out. It's a 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree, all original. Says it's a 52 Chevy. That's the fuzzy dice I need, is a big pair like that. I assume straight 6.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's original.
All original?
90, well, it's been repainted.
Yeah, but
it's all original. 96 whopping horsepower.
hey, it does the job, doesn't it?
It's a hard time getting out of its own way, but yeah, it does.
Nice car. 216, I assume?
It's, my grandparents bought the car new.
Really?
Yeah. And this is, had this at the Woodward.
That's neat that it's been in your family since it was new.
That's the original sticker.
Wow. $1,950. I'd go buy a couple of dozen of them at that price.
I know. It's
today.
pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. That was a lot of money in 52.
Yeah, I think it's like about 24,000.
Yeah.
In $24.
Really a sweet car.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard or not, but he said his grandparents bought the car brand new. Kind of looks it.
I had one for my ex's mom to get in it.
Did you?
I used to carry a milk crate back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It worked. I say the string, that way you can pull back up inside.
Oh, there you go. I don't think I'll need that.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind having something like this. It'd be fun to cruise around in. Granny gear, 4-speed, 4-wheel drive. It's a 77. '50 Chevrolet Deluxe convertible.
There he is. How you doing, buddy?
For those of you who don't know what this is, it's a Henry J. And Sears sold a car under the brand of Allstate that was a Henry J.
Yeah, everybody started lining up. Let's. Yeah, his son-in-law, Chris Hoekstra here, wants donations. He wants to see his father-in-law get done. So, you know, all the money's going for good.
Would you go film this?
Yeah.
I'll give you
Car for Scott at Cold War Motors, huh?
Special Olympics.
Sweet. sweet.
raising money.
I don't think this has a inline 6 in it anymore.
Joe Zimmer is in the tank right now. Where was I? Oh, yes.
Doesn't have a manual gearbox, non-synchronized manual in it either.
Confused here. That was really Jay Kramer in the corner singing Bad to Me. Here's Jerry and the Pacemakers doing How Do You Do It, which the Beatles had to record, but they hated it, and
I hope you enjoyed the Culver's cruise. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up icon. It helps me out. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon will help you subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.